আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
আমরা আমাদের জার্নি শুরু করে দিয়েছি।
ব্লুটুথ স্পিকার তো ওই এটা তো ওই ট্রলিতে
দেখতে পাচ্ছেন
ওই ট্রলিতে হাজানি টানছে না
ওয়ে টু থিম্পু, ইয়া
সব ট্রলিতে হবে।
আমরা এখন থিম্পুর দিকে যাচ্ছি।
আছে হেডফোন আছে।
এখন ভুটানের টাইম বাংলাদেশের টাইম সেম যেহেতু, তার মানে এখন হচ্ছে প্রায় 6:45, অর্থাৎ 6টা বাজতে 15 মিনিট বাকি। দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আমাদের সাথে আমাদের গাইড প্লাস ড্রাইভার রয়েছে। তাকে ভুটান সম্বন্ধে কিছু এক্সপ্লেন করবে। Brother, now tell about Bhutan something.
Okay. We are a Buddhist country.
Yeah.
And we have Hindus and Christians also.
Muslims?
Muslims only people coming from outside.
Yeah.
We no citizens in Bhutan are Muslims, and even like the Hindu people in Bhutan also, like we call them Bhutanese Hindu,
Yeah.
and like it is, and Christianity also recently only, it's not been much. It's slowly coming up now. Before we didn't have Christians also. So like Buddhism in short form is like, we say the middle path. So middle path means in simple term is like like when Buddha said, Buddha didn't say I'm a god, he only said I'm a guru.
Yeah. He's a guru.
Yes, he's not a god.
Yeah.
We don't say, like we worship Buddha, but we don't say he's a god. We say
But
he's a god.
we need to worship directly to the God.
Yeah. But we don't worship him as a god. We worship him as a guru. So
I see.
Buddha said, I can only show you the right path. I can't say, I can't make the dead into living, do miracles like God. But I can only say, this is the right way, you go this way.
Yeah.
So middle path means, like in simple term means, if you can't help others, don't hurt others. That is the middle path.
Yeah.
So we in Buddhist, we follow the middle path.
And another big,
And
they are Hindus.
yes, and in Bhutan we don't segregate caste, religion. It is against the law. Everybody, everything is same.
So everybody can pray anywhere.
Yes.
That's good.
Like me, I can go to the church, I can go to the masjid, I can go to the temple.
So no one can hurt you.
No one can say anything. No one will say anything.
That's good.
Because it is said that if you start fighting over religion, then your country will get spoiled.
Because religion is one of the big issues.
Yes, it is bigger than politics.
Yeah.
Religion, politics will completely
Different.
different. It will ruin the country. And we have been given democracy now for 15 years running. But all decision, everything is taken by a king.
Now,
We have the prime minister, everybody.
yeah.
We have voting systems.
Yeah.
But final decision, the king has to sign.
Oh. I see.
the president in
Yes.
Bhutan's country.
Yes.
Yeah.
And actually, the public didn't want democracy.
They like
Because-
their king.
Yes, monarchy was best thing, peaceful. No lying here and there.
So tomorrow is his birthday.
Yes, tomorrow is his birthday. So tomorrow, good thing for you all. My friend has invited us to La Maridin. It's a 5-star hotel. I told I have 6 guests. He has a art. He's a painter.
Oh yeah.
He has an art show in La Maridin at 6 p.m. tomorrow.
Okay.
So I told I'll bring my guest and come.
Oh.
Then I said, is there any entry fees and all? So he's saying, no need to pay. entry
totally free.
Yes.
That is very good for us.
Yeah, he's my good friend. Like friend in the say, I say elder brother to him.
Yeah.
Like in our language, I say achu.
Achu.
Achu means elder brother.
elder brother.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nochu means smaller brother.
Small brother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah,
Achu no chu.
yeah. And for girls, Num is
Num
smaller
is smaller
sister, and Ajim
Ajim,
is elder.
elder.
So one thing that
Sister means in Bhutanese language?
like sister, Num Ajim. If
Num.
they are elder to you, you call her Ajim. If they are smaller to you, you
But
can
if I say directly sister, then
Num.
only Num.
Num.
Yeah, Num means sister.
Yeah. So any sentence, even if you speak English,
Yeah.
like I'm speaking English with you, then I say like, what is your name? In the end, I'll put La.
Mm-hmm.
What is your name, La? So that sentence becomes respectful in our language.
Oh yeah.
La, a simple La will make it respectful.
Uh,
you all
both
put-
both girls and boys can use la.
Like you all put G in every language, no? If you are talking to elder people, senior people or something.
Yeah.
So we say La.
La. Is it used to both girls and boys?
Yeah,
La. Common.
Yeah.
Common word.
common. A respectful.
Respectful word.
So if anybody says something and you don't understand, so you can say La,
Oh yeah.
so they can repeat it.
Only la.
Yeah. And another thing is, like, we say Namaste, no?
That's greeting. Yeah.
Yeah, Namaste. Otherwise, in your this thing, like,
Assalam. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah, yeah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah.
No? So in our language is Kuzu Zampola.
Mm.
Kuzu Zampola.
Mm-hmm.
And thank you. Thank you will be Kadin Che.
Cuttings.
Kadin
Che.
Che. So,
Brother,
yes, please.
please start music slowly. First one.
Okay.
Second
Okay.
one.
After some time. later.
After we cross the checkpoint.
In
Okay.
our 6 member,
Yeah.
2 members are chain smoker.
Yeah, you can, like, if you have cigarettes,
Yes.
if you want to smoke in the car, it's not a problem.
Okay.
If other people, if you all don't have a problem,
Okay, okay. And we know that Bhutan has restricted
like restricted in the sense,
in
One,
cities
two-
area.
no, yes.
Only cities area.
Cities area, private areas is restricted,
Okay.
and you can carry cigarettes,
Okay.
but like 3-4
Don't-
packets and all also, even when if police check also,
No problem.
they'll act as if they have not seen. That's not a problem.
Mm.
Then you can
Where
say,
we can take cigarette.
yeah,
Anywhere.
yeah, but it's expensive. Like here, you know, Navy cut, Wills. You know Wills?
We
no.
have cigarette Benson's.
Benson's.
Yeah.
So Benson's,
Benson Hedges.
yeah. So Benson and Hedges, I think it will cost you 150 rupees.
We
There.
already we have.
Yeah, no, I mean in.
Okay.
How much did you buy for?
From Bangladesh.
12 piece.
From our country.
160. 160.
So if you buy in Bhutan,
Hmm.
it'll cost you 300 rupees.
Okay.
Double.
Because, yeah, black.
Yeah, yeah.
If it is banned, it is black.
Mm.
So black means expensive.
Yeah. But it's injurious to health.
Yeah. No, like it's not. Like I smoke sometimes. I'm not a chain smoker. I smoke sometimes also.
But it's bad.
But I'm not a very heavy smoker. Like smoking just 1 to 2 cigarettes per day. Like when I'm alone,
Yeah.
you feel lonely, no?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm married with 2 kids.
Oh.
Okay.
I have
you're
a
married.
daughter who is in class 4,
4.
Okay. Another one?
and my son this year only he started school.
Oh. Happy family.
Younger one is son.
Yes, younger one is son.
Happy family. Complete family.
Happy family.
And my wife, she's also working.
Mm.
She works for a 5-star hotel known as Dusit D2, Yarke.
Where is it?
Dusit D2 Yarke
Where
in
is
Thimphu.
it? Thimphu.
Yes,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
a Thai hotel.
Thai hotel.
Yeah. She's a F&B supervisor. Food and beverage supervisor.
There is a cloud or
Yeah, it's
Cloud.
Cloud.
clouds?
Yeah, you'll see up there, sir. Don't worry.
Oh,
We
yeah.
can see the road also.
Oh yeah.
It is like very slow driving some places.
Okay. Okay. এখন এতক্ষণ আমাদের ড্রাইভার ভুটান সম্বন্ধে বিভিন্ন বক্তব্য দিচ্ছিল, আপনারা শুনছিলেন। আমাদের তেল ভরা লাগছে, তাই আমরা এখানে নেমেছি। তেল ভরা হচ্ছে। দেখুন, আপনাদেরকে কিছু দৃশ্য দেখানোর চেষ্টা করছি। আমাদের ড্রাইভার বললো সামনে 1-1.5 ঘন্টা পরে এমন একটা প্লেস আসবে যেখানে 5 থেকে 6 কিলোমিটার রাস্তা পুরো মেঘে ঢাকা বলা যায়। দিনেও আপনার লাইট জ্বালে চলতে হয়, বা রাস্তার যে সাদা দাগগুলো আছে এগুলো দেখে দেখে চলতে হয়। দেখুন পিছনে অলরেডি মেঘ দেখা যাচ্ছে। বললাম, জিজ্ঞেস করছিলাম এগুলো কুয়াশা না মেঘ, উনি বললো এগুলো মেঘ। আর সামনে যেটা বললাম যে 1-1.5 ঘন্টা পরে যে রাস্তা আসবে 5 থেকে 7 কিলোমিটার এরিয়া পুরো রাস্তায় মেঘে ঢাকা। রাস্তার যে মার্ক আছে সাদা, সেই দাগ দেখে চলতে হবে। আমি রাস্তা পার হচ্ছি। দেখুন পিছনে পাহাড়। আর আমরা থিম্পু যাচ্ছি। থিম্পু হচ্ছে সি লেভেল থেকে 350+ মিটার উঁচু, ড্রাইভার জানানো। গাইড হিসাবে কাজ করছে ড্রাইভার।
ভুটানে আইছি, থিম্পু যাচ্ছি।
ছিল মোবাইলে।
তো সুন্দর জায়গায় যে পরে ভিডিও করে পাঠাবো। এখন গাড়িতে তেল নিচ্ছে।
দেখুন আমাদের সবাই